Good morning, students. Students, as you know, in our previous lecture, we discussed with you valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. In that theory, we discussed how the lone pair and the bond pair affect the geometry of the molecule. I mean to say the molecule may have regular as well as the irregular geometry. Now, in this tabular form today, students, we will discuss various types of a regular as well as a irregular geometry made on the basis of a valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. The various kinds of molecule, students. First will be AB2 type of molecule. Then we have AB2 type of molecule. Total number of electron pair will be 2. How many bond pair? There is no lone pair, so number of bond pair will be 2. Fine. Number of lone pair 0. Type of hybridization will be sp. Geometry of the molecule will be a linear geometry. As for example, we take a molecule of the kind beryllium chloride. Am I clear? How will I make the linear geometry? This will be A, B and B with the bond angle of course 180 degree. Am I clear? So, first kind of a geometry will be of a kind AB2. Next will be AB3 type of a geometry. AB3. In AB3, the total number of electron pair will be 3. Out of these 3, number of bond pair are suppose 3. Then number of lone pair suppose is 0. So, type of hybridization will be sp2. Am I clear? Geometry will be trigonal planar. What will be the geometry of the molecule? Trigonal planar. Example is like boron trifluoride. And how do I make this geometry? Boron trifluoride will be made in this manner. This will be boron, fluorine, and then fluorine and fluorine. This is a trigonal planar geometry. How did I make the beryllium chloride? Beryllium, chlorine, and then chlorine. Am I clear? So, first type of a geometry will be AB2 type, which only have a regular geometry. Then AB3. Next is if it has one lone pair. So, it will be AB2L. Am I clear? Total number of electron pair again will be 3. Here, all 3 are the bond pair of electrons. Number of lone pair of electron will be 1. Type of hybridization in the molecule will be sp2. Am I clear? Geometry will be trigonal pyramidal. Geometry over here will be, if we consider this will be a band structure. Band structure. As for example, sulfur dioxide molecule. How will I make the sulfur dioxide molecule? This will be S, double bond O with lone pair of electron. This is a band structure, student. Am I clear? So, first type of a geometry is AB2, then AB3 and AB2L, that is sp2 hybridization with only one lone pair of electrons. Next is the geometry of the kind AB4. In AB4 kind of a geometry, total number of electron pair will be 4. Am I clear? Number of bond pair will be 4 and number of lone pair of electron in this case will be 0. When the number of lone pair of electron is 0, the molecule will be having a regular geometry of sp3 type of a hybridization. And in this case, geometry will be tetrahedral. Fine. As for example, in the case of a methane molecule, how do we make the shape of methane? This will be carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. It will be a tetrahedral geometry with a bond angle of 109 degree and 28 minutes. So, molecule will either be of AB2 type, AB3, AB2L or AB4. AB2 will be linear geometry, AB3 trigonal planar, AB2L bent shape, AB4 tetrahedral. Now here in this case there are two possibilities. If it has one lone pair or two lone pair. If the molecule is of the kind AB3L, total number of electron pair will be 4. Total number of bond pair of electrons will be 3. Lone pair will be 0. Type of hybridization in the molecule will be sp3 again. Here again, another case can be AB2L2. Again, the total number of electron pair will be 4. Total number of bond pair of electron will be 2. Lone pair of electron will be, here it was 1. Lone pair of electron will be 2. Type of hybridization in the molecule will be sp3. Here again it will be sp3 hybridization. Am I clear? So there will be two distorted geometry. If the molecule have one distorted geometry, AB4, AB3L and sp3 hybridization. You may see over here, student, molecule is having AB4 geometry. There are 4 bond pair. Total electron pair 4, 4 bond pair. No lone pair, sp3 hybridization. Geometry is tetrahedral. Example, methane. AB3L. There are 4 bond electron pair, out of which there is 3 bond pair. 1 is a lone pair. Type of hybridization sp3. Example will be ammonia molecule. Geometry of the molecule will be trigonal, pyramidal geometry. Trigonal pyramidal geometry. How do we make the ammonia molecule? Just see, nitrogen, hydrogen, 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 and this will be having a lone pair of electron. Am I clear? This lone pair of electron will give it a distorted geometry, and this will be a trigonal pyramidal geometry. Next will be AB2L2 type. Total number of electron pair will be 4. Number of bond pair 2. Number of lone pair 2. Geometry again is sp3. Here the molecule will be having a V-shaped structure. In this V-shaped structure, example will be water molecule. How will I make the water molecule? This will be oxygen. This will be hydrogen and hydrogen, and you may see over here it will be having a V-shaped structure with the bond angle of 104.5 degree. Tell me, student, whether this is getting clear to you or not. So depending upon the total number of electron pair in the molecule will be having a all regular geometry if all the pair of electrons are the bond pair. However, if the molecule have bond pair as well as a lone pair of electron, molecule will have a irregular or the distorted geometry. As for example, in AB3, it is a regular geometry, it will be trigonal planar. AB2L, the geometry will be bent. AB4 regular is tetrahedral, AB3 with one lone pair is trigonal pyramidal, AB2L2 with the 2 lone pair, it will be a V-shaped structure, as for example in the case of a water molecule. I have explained to you how to make the trigonal pyramidal. On the tetrahedral shape, at one position you drop a lone pair. In the V-shaped structure, at 2 position you drop a lone pair so that it appears to be like a V. Am I clear? Now another molecules which are to be discussed as per the syllabus will be, I hope you must have noted down this, student. Another will be AB5 type, AB6 type and AB7 type. So another geometry of the molecule will be like AB5, AB6 and AB7 type of a molecule. How will I discuss those geometries? You may see over here very carefully. If the molecule is of the kind AB5, if the molecule is of the kind AB5, then total number of electron pair will be 5. The various geometries in this case will be AB4, L2, L, and then AB3, L2, and then Ab2L3. Am I clear? Yes. Total number of electron pair 5. Here it will be 5. Here it will be 5. Here it will be 5. Number of bond pair of electrons. In this case 5, 4, 3, 2. Minimum of 2 bond pair must be present to form the bond. Number of electron pair, lone pair of electron. 0, 1, 2, 3. Am I clear? What will be the type of hybridization? Type of hybridization in every case will be sp3d. It will be sp3d. Here again sp3d. And this will be sp3d. I think I shall be very clear. Yes. Geometry will be trigonal bipyramidal. Bipyramidal. Example like PCl5. Geometry of the molecule will be trigonal bipyramidal, like PCl5 molecule. And how do we make the PCl5 molecule? PCl5, this will be phosphorus, then chlorine, 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 and this will be chlorine. This is trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Am I clear? Ab4L molecule will be having one distorted shape, and that shape will be a seesaw shape. This is seesaw. Am I clear? As for example, if we consider the molecule of sulfur tetrafluoride, how do I make this seesaw shape? This is sulfur, fluorine, fluorine. On any of the position, you may drop a lone pair of electron. Fluorine, this will be fluorine. This is again the fluorine, a fluorine, and this over here will be having a lone pair of electron. This is seesaw shape. Then Ab3L2, total number of electron pair 5, number of bond pair 3, lone pair 2, type of hybridization will be sp3d, molecule will be having a T shape. It will be having a T shape. You need to remember this. Example ClF3. How will I make the ClF3 shape? This will be chlorine, fluorine, fluorine, fluorine with lone pair of electron over here. Am I clear? You may see the T developed over here. Then Ab2L3. Molecule will be having a linear geometry. As for example, I3 negative. How will I make this one? I. Then I. This again will be I. This will be having a lone pair. This will be having a lone pair. And this will be having a lone pair. You may see, student, this is a linear geometry, a straight line geometry. This is how the I3 negative shape will be made. So as far as a molecule of kind Ab5 is concerned, it may have sp3 hybridization, dehybridization with trigonal bipyramidal geometry, sp3 dehybridization with seesaw shape, sp3 dehybridization with T shape, or sp3 dehybridization with the linear geometry. Example of trigonal bipyramidal is PCl5, seesaw, sulfur tetrafluoride, T shape, chlorine trifluoride, and linear geometry will be I3 negative. Am I getting clear to you or not, student? Yes or not? Now we are left with only two type of a geometry. This will be AB6 and AB7 type of a geometry. In AB6, we will be discussing two distorted geometries also. So if we will be discussing AB6 type, there will be two distorted geometries. AB6, number of electron pair will be 6. So if we discuss the molecule of kind AB6, in AB6 molecule, total number of electron pair will be 6. Number of bond pair will be 6. Number of lone pair will be 0. Type of hybridization in this case will be sp3d2. Geometry of molecules will be octahedral. Octahedral geometry. Am I clear? Example, SF6. How do I make this? Sulfur, fluorine, fluorine, fluorine and fluorine. This is how this geometry will be made. Then there will be a lone pair of electron and we will develop it as AB5L and then AB4L2. Total number of electron pair 6. Number of bond pair 5, 4. Lone pair 1, 2. Type of hybridization sp3d2. Here again it will be sp3d2. Shape will be square pyramidal and square planar. This is square pyramidal shape. Square pyramidal and square planar. Example for square planar will be like XeF4 and this will be molecule like antimony pentachloride, chlorine pentachloride, etc. Fine. Like ClF5. How will I make that one? Cl, fluorine, fluorine, fluorine and then fluorine. Then any of the axial position you may drop one lone pair. This will be this one. This is square pyramidal. For the square planar geometry, I have to drop the two lone pair like xenon tetrafluoride, XeF4, F, here again F and here again F. So this will be having a two lone pair of electron this way. Am I clear? This will be the molecule of the kind AB4L2. And the last will be a molecule of the kind AB7. In AB7 kind of a molecule, total number of electron pair will be 7. Number of bond pair will be 7. Fine. Number of lone pair 0. Type of hybridization sp3d3. And this is pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal geometry. Pentagonal bipyramidal. What will be the shape of the molecule? Example of the molecule will be like iodine heptafluoride. This will be iodine, fluorine, fluorine and fluorine. Then fluorine and fluorine. This is fluorine and fluorine. This is iodine heptafluoride. A pentagonal bipyramidal geometry will be obtained. So in the molecule of the kind AB6, we may have sp3d2 hybridization with octahedral geometry. AB5L, we may have square pyramidal geometry. AB4L2, square planar. AB7 will be pentagonal bipyramidal geometry. So student, these were the various distorted type of a geometry in the molecule. I hope you must have understood. So if I recapitulate the various types of a geometry of the molecule, I have done with you the sp hybridization, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2 and sp3d3 hybridization. I hope you must have understood this. We will meet again in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.